Okay, Mr. Sarthak. So question number 1, what should I do?
So I did it from the ratio method.
Yeah, it is absolutely okay. No problem. Yeah.
So for 10 minutes, 10 is to 4 and 2 is to x.
Okay.
So 4 upon 10 equals x upon 2.
4
So
upon 10 equals? 4 upon 10 equals?
x upon 2. So 2
Okay.
can be converted to minutes, so 120 minutes.
Okay.
Then we have to divide 10 and 120, so we get 12. So that means we have to multiply 4 and 12, so we'll get 48. X equals 48.
Okay. The first thing that you should do is you should write books upon minutes. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So when you write this, you will never make a mistake. So books upon minutes. So this is my book and this is my minute. How will it print? How many will it print? So this is my books and this is my time. Sarthak, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Then I'll cross multiply. So 4 into 120 would be equal to 10 into x. Therefore, Mr. Sarthak, x would be
48.
4 into 120. Mr. Satya, is this answer correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, second question.
So this also I did in ratio method.
Yeah, it is okay. Absolutely okay. Yeah. What should I write first?
So it will be trees upon minutes.
Trees upon minutes. Okay.
So 5 upon 25 and 200 upon x. So 25 divided by 5 divided by 200, that will be 40. So 25 into 40 equals 1000. So 200 trees will be planted in 1000 minutes.
Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So how many minutes would be required? Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So we don't have to change it in hours.
You can.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay. How should I
I
change?
got 16.6 hours.
So 1000 minutes upon Mr. Satya.
So I did it in different way.
How did you do it?
So first I did 5 is to 25, and then I found if then I did like I multiplied both by 40. So I got 200 is to 1000. And then
Oh, Mr. Satya, how can I convert 1000 minutes into hours? How can I do this?
so 1000 minutes. Okay, so we can multiply it, I think, by 60.
Arey Dada, minutes to hours. Number will increase or decrease?
So decrease, divided
Divide by
60.
60. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So if the number will increase, I have to multiply. So for example, 1 hour in 2 minutes, number will increase, so I have to multiply it by 60. But if I have 120 minutes and I want to convert it into hours, the number will decrease. So I'll divide it by 60. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
सत्य आपको सिर्फ ये पूछना है कि मल्टीप्लाई करना है या डिवाइड करना है और कुछ नहीं सोचना. It is
Okay,
very. So this will be 50 upon 3 hours, or you can write this as 3 1 the 3 6 the 18, 2 by 3 hours. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
If you don't like this, you can write this as 16 hours, 40 minutes. Mr. Satya, have you understood this?
yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, question number 3.
So in question 3, this also I did in ratio method. So it will be unit upon hours upon units. So it will be 2 upon 3 equals 7 upon x. So 2 divided by 7 is 6.5. So 3 into 6.5 equals 19.5. So 7 hours equals 19.5 units.
Mr. Satya, is it correct?
Yes,
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, question number 4.
So I didn't understand this one.
Mr. Satya,
yes, sir. 1 second. So first I did 1500 is to 8. And then I wrote like how can we find? So we have over here we have the number. So one, yeah, so 5 day. So I did
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what should I do next, Mr. Sarthak? Mr. Satya,
so for the B part, right?
A part.
A part,
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood? Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
No, sir. Though everybody's voice was cracking for some time.
Okay. Can you see the equation?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood the equation?
Just a second.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I also understood.
See, the most important part is this. You have to write this. The first line is the most important. Do not skip this. Never skip this. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So Sarthak, how should I do the B part?
So if 1 day is of 8 hours, then so one like bricks upon hours equals 1500 upon 8 equal to 10,000 upon x. Um, 1,500 into x equals 8 into 10,000.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
And then you can calculate the nearest R that you can do. Okay. Sarthak, did you do question number 5?
So I didn't understand it, but I can tell now.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Mhm. Kilometers upon white lines. So equals 8 upon 250. So 200 equals 200 upon x.
Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Then 8 will come to the right hand side
Shabash.
divided by 8.
Yeah. Okay. B part. Mr. Sarthak, B part.
So it will be x upon 4,000. So 8 into 4,000 and 250 into x. 250 will come to the left hand side.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, question number 6. Mr. Sarthak, question number 6.
So speed upon distance equals 720 upon 1,000. Equals 800 upon x. So 720 into x equals 800 into 1000. 720 will come to the right hand side.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, question number 7.
So I didn't understand this question.
Okay, Satya.
So I did for the A part, we have to do 2:150, and then we have to find the like how many tins can be packed, labeled. So then I did 2:150, and below it I wrote 6:450. Then I found, so like so can I write it? I'm not able to explain it.
Okay. Have you understood what I am doing?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, it is simple. Once you have written the first line, then the things are very simple. Any doubt?
Sir.
See, the only thing that you need to understand, do not get confused about this. All of these are direct proportions. So these versions are very simple. All of these are direct proportions. What direct proportion means is that if this thing increases, this thing will also increase. If this thing decreases, then this thing will also decrease. So all these questions that we are doing, these are direct proportions. Sarthak, any doubt? There is something called indirect proportion also. That we'll do some other time. But right now we are not doing this. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Sarthak, how can I do question number 8?
So it will be speed, hours upon speed.
What is the formula for distance?
So
Speed into
time.
Shabash. So Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, what you need to do is you need to do all these questions again. Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, can you submit the all the questions before Thursday 10 a.m.?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
I will upload this today. So if you want to refer this video, you can refer it again. That is not an issue. But I want you guys to do all these questions again, Mr. Satya.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And 8th B part, you need to do on your own. Think about this and do this, Mr. Satya.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So see you on Thursday. Yeah. And please submit this before Thursday 10 a.m. Please do not delay, Mr. Sarthak.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay.